We're here at McDonald's, and we are going to be trying the McDouble Pie Chicken Burger. Strawberry cream pie, a regular McChicken, and a McDouble right here. Unbelievable food, and you got the most important part, the ranch. Take off the top bun, take off the top bun. You want to see a fat amount of mayonnaise on your McChicken always. If they don't load up your McChicken with mayonnaise, go back in there. Slap that on there. Throw the strawberry cream pie on the top. And you don't really want the McDouble top. You want the McChicken top with the mayonnaise to give it that sort of flavor that it deserves, that it requires at an establishment as fine as a McDonald's. Oh, that's so good, man. Get a close up on that. Oh, God. God damn. Delicious. And you get delicious texture. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah.